Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, it's been a long time since the last time I made a video for my YouTube channel. Well, I'm gonna give you an explanation for that before I get into the main theme of this video. But if you don't want to hear the explanation, well, feel free to click the timestamp at the description so you can skip the explanation. Anyway, so here's the explanation. For the last several months, I didn't expect to having so many patients at my dental office. I had a hard time to scheduling all of my patients. Well, I almost hadn't had my spare time to do my other hobbies like this one, made a video for YouTube, for example. But for now, I think I'm gonna relive this YouTube channel again. I hope I'm able to use the spare time for one of my hobby, especially this YouTube channel. Okay, for the main themes of this video is about my EDC or everyday carry for 2024, especially in this month is August 2024. And the first item is, of course, my phone. And I can't show you my phone because I'm using this phone for recording. I know it's an old phone, it's a Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. It's been 6 years already. For this one, it's still using micro USB, but for the camera quality, well, I'm not saying it's have the best quality of camera, but it's enough for me to take a picture, to shoot a video. But well, yeah, to be honest, in the future I might gonna change this smartphone into the newer models. Well, I'm not sure which models I'm gonna choose, but I guess it's gonna be Samsung again because several reasons. And yeah, the other items, the second items is the power bank. This power bank is from Xiaomi and it's got 10,000 milliamp hours. It's pretty slim and it's easy to bring. It's pretty convenient to bring, and yeah, it's got fast charging. It's got two ports and type C. It's convenient to bring, so it doesn't take much space in my bag. So yeah, it's a must have to bring for me. And the next item is this, because I've got power bank here. This is from Hoko. Well, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's Hoko. And I bought this from KKV store, and it contains the mirror. Well, I'm not using the mirror, but it contains the cable data itself, type C to type C, and it's got the lightning port, lightning converter from type C, and the micro USB charging connector from the type C again, and then you've got the type C connector to USB A connector, and it's got slot for micro SD, SIM card, and then it's got the pin for the SIM tray ejector. So yeah, that's all. And then the bottom of this box, this, I don't know what you call it, but in the bottom of this item, and you can pull this lever here, and then you can use this as a phone holder, so you can put your phone here and watch any movies from your phones without holding your phones. So yeah, it's pretty slim again, so yeah, it's pretty comfy convenience for me to bring this anywhere. It doesn't take much space. And then the third item is this is just a bag hanger, so I can put it like this on the table, put this on the table, and then hang my bag so it doesn't take space on the table where I'm outside. So yeah, it's pretty convenient. It's small and it's foldable, so yeah, again, it doesn't take much space. And then the next thing is, of course, the wireless headset. And yeah, this is an earbud true wireless from Miniso store. When I hear music from this earbud here, it can stand for around 5 hours without stopping the music. Yeah, it's pretty not really bad, good quality sound. I just looking for the cheap headset to bring everywhere. But in the future, maybe in the future, I'm gonna replace this with the one that has the active noise cancellation. Well, but for everyday carry, well, I think a headset like this is a must. Okay, and then the next item is a wallet. Well, everywhere I go, I need to bring my wallet because some places can't really use a cashless method of payment, so I need to bring a cash. Well, maybe some debit card, credit card, and when I go outside driving my car, so I need to bring my driving license, of course. So yeah, a wallet is a must. But maybe in the future I'm gonna replace this with a thinner one because it's kind of like too thick. But in the meantime, well, I'm still using this wallet. And the next item, well, yeah, it's pretty much not quite necessary, but I think nobody want to smell the bad odor, right? So like I said, I kind of like sweaty a lot, but it doesn't mean I had a bad odor. But well, I just brought this perfume. Once again, it's from Miniso. I like the smell, the scent from this perfume. It's called Night Tales Eau de Toilet. I don't know. Yeah, but it's a Night Tales here. You can see it's night tail. It's small and easy to bring. Well, yeah, a perfume. And the next item is, of course, when I want to do some work outside. Maybe I just want to go to a cafe or work everywhere. Well, I have a tablet. It's a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Well, I've been using this tablet for around 8 months. I bought this on December 2023. So right now it's August. So I guess it's already 8 months that I use this tablet. And yeah, because I have this tablet, so I ditched my laptop. I'm not using my laptop anymore because I'm not really a hardcore or advanced editor, video editor or photo editor, anything like that. I just use this for basic stuff like cutting video and input my patient's informed consent and medical record, some kind like that. And then I use this for drawing, but I'm not really into drawing, just scribble something that well, killing my time, my spare time if I had one. So yeah, most of the time I work using this tablet. So everywhere when I'm outside and I want to do some work, I use this tablet. I bought the tablet and the keyboard as well. So yeah. Well, for the next item is this one is a tumbler. So well, it's not really necessary, but for me it's unnecessary because in my country I live in Indonesia, so it's kind of hot here. It's kind of like hotter than the last month, so I need to keep myself hydrated. So yeah, a tumbler like this is a must. Sometimes I pour it just a plain water or just a simple tea. Sometimes a coffee if I need one. So yeah, tumbler. Everybody, tumbler. Okay, so the last item, not really the last, but the next item is here, a smartwatch. It's a SK May smartwatch. I've been using this smartwatch since almost a year. I just bought this cheap and it's still perfect until now. No scratches, nothing broken from this smartwatch since I bought this smartwatch. And yeah, I'm not really much gonna explain this smartwatch because I know nothing about smartwatch, but this smartwatch doesn't have any GPS. It's a smartwatch to show your notification from your phone and just some little simple stuff like exercising, maybe riding a bike or jogging around. Yeah, simple sport like that. I mean, once more, and this smartwatch has a blood pressure detector and a heart rate sensor. So yeah, it can measure your heart rate and blood pressure, even though it's not really an accurate one, but yeah, it's enough. Okay, so yeah, the next item and maybe the second last is key to your home. Without a key, you can't get back inside to your home. So yeah, it really a must to have or a must to bring. And the last time, it's not really necessary, but it kind of important for me because I like to game using my tablet. So it's a gamepad here. It's 8-bit do Lite 2. I bought this pretty cheap on the online store, and yeah, it's just a gamepad here. So in my spare time, when I'm just not in the mood for working, I just open my tab and play some games, maybe some emulators and some mobile games that support a gamepad controller. So yeah, it's basically a Nintendo Switch gamepad, but it can be connected to any device beside of Nintendo Switch. So yeah, so I guess that's all. That's my everyday carry, but I need to show you one more thing for the everyday carry stuff. It's the bag itself. It's a tummy sling bag. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's Tumi. So I guess I'm gonna say tummy for the pronounce. I love sling bag because it's kind of like cool design. It's kind of like having a cool design, and it's practical, not really big like like a backpack. And this sling bag has enough room for all of my stuff. It's got several space, so yeah, it's pretty expensive. I've got the cheap one. Sometimes I replace with the other cheap sling bag because it's pretty expensive for a sling bag. I'm not quite sure if kind of worth or not because I'm not really bought this myself. It's a gift for me, so yeah. Thank you for the gift, but well, it's too pricey for me. So yeah, that's all I think that I need to say, and maybe in the future I may continue to make a video. I don't know what kind of video, just another video for YouTube. Maybe some review for any gadget that I use, maybe, or maybe I just bought another device that I need to review from my point of view. But in the meantime, yeah, I'm trying to relive my YouTube again. So okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, as always, stay safe and keep healthy. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.